Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Kind Life.
I'm
Adil.
I'm Jadon. I'm Nelia.
And we're here at
Woodmark Hotel. Woodmark Hotel.
That's right, folks. We're here at the Woodmark Hotel in Kirkland, Washington. Now, in this video, what we're going to do is show you guys the room we're staying at. It's the Double Queen, and then show you guys some of the amenities and on-site dining that this place has to offer. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started and show you guys this beautiful hotel. So this is our room right here, 315. Welcome to the lakefront guest room with 2 queen beds. As soon as you enter, you have a small countertop area. Huge shout out to Woodmark Hotel for the warm welcome and all of these wonderful treats upon entry. Here you'll also find a Keurig coffee maker. Right below is your mini fridge. Adjacent is your closet where it features your in-room safe, hangers, iron, and ironing board. And then you have your luxury bathroom showcasing limestone decor, countertop, large mirror, all amenities to make you settled in for a long stay. On the side is a soaking tub with a soothing rain shower. Making our way out of the bathroom, you'll notice this door. There's a second room there where you can have 2 connecting rooms together. And then the room itself featuring those 2 queen beds with luxury bedding, down pillows, and feather bed. The 2 beds have a center table with a clock and plenty of outlets. In front, you'll also find your work desk with your phone, an activity sheet here showcasing the map of Lake Washington, Seattle, and the hotel's location. Outlets attached to the desk as well. You also have a 49-inch TV facing the beds and empty drawers underneath to get organized. A corner chair, and of course, the view. The door in this room does open up, allowing you to capture the view and fresh air. We'll take a closer look at that view momentarily. This concludes the room tour. Let's see what else this hotel has to offer. Woodmark is located at Carillon Point. There is plenty to see on site, the main thing being that the hotel is nestled on Lake Washington's tranquil shores with the Cascade Mountain Range as the backdrop. A lot of ground to cover on the property where you can even take a walk on the pier. Plenty of outdoor seating all around. And they even have fire pits they light up in the evening. Complimentary bicycles you can use to explore. As for dining, you do have a few restaurants located on site. El Encanto, La Grande, Como, and Carillon Kitchen. The hotel also has what's called Raid the Pantry. Perfect spot when you're looking for a late night snack or quick drink after hours. From 10 p.m. until midnight, take as much as you'd like. Don't record me, don't record me. Other amenities include the still spa, a library of books, a fixed parking garage that's covered and attached to the hotel. Well, there you folks have it, the Woodmark Hotel in Kirkland, Washington. If you guys have any questions about this place or anything we saw and did, ask these 2 down below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, guys.
Bye-bye.